What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mitchell with Mitchell's Lawn Care. Hope each and every one of you are having a wonderful day and you are healthy. Life's good for you, business is good, and everything is just jiving. Today I am out in beautiful and sunny Jamestown, North Carolina. It's a neighboring community right where I live from High Point. And behind me is an area that I'm going to clean up for the homeowner here. There is a pine tree that has fell down. I don't know if you can make that out right there, but I'm going to get that cut up, get it out of here. There's also two other trees back here behind these boxwoods that he wants cut down, as well as all of the overgrowth, the vegetation that you see here behind me. So that's my plan of action today. Cut the two trees down, cut up the pine tree, get it out of here, and get all this vegetation cut down and removed. That way he can reclaim this area of his property. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's get this thing started. Alrighty. Like I said, let me show you what we got going on real quick. So, right here, this tree, probably hard to make out. I know the sun might wash it out, but this tree right here, this tree right here, you can see the pine tree that has fell. It goes all the way down there. So, gonna get that cut up, plus all of this vegetation, okay? Everything else that you see coming up besides just this fallen pine tree, gonna get all that cut up and removed. So wanna show you guys real quick the tools and equipment that I'm going to use for this. It's very simple. So I'll try to speak up. So, of course, I've got my 2.2 gallon Sure Can. I've got my CS590 Timberwood chainsaw by Echo. I've got my Echo, this is the 251, I believe, 271, I'm sorry, the 271 top handle. I've got an axe just in case. I've got my loppers. I've got my steel, the KM131 with some extra piranha line. This is by Green Touch Industries. Got my rake. I've got a blade to put on the combi in case it's too thick out there. Obviously bar and chain oil, and my wheelbarrow. Oh, and probably most importantly, coffee and water. So, and let me not forget, I got the PB8010T. So today is going to be an Echo day and a little bit of steel. But anyways, it's not about the brands. It's just about completing the job. So, without further ado, let's get this thing started. Well, you guys, I'm all done for here at least. I got those two trees cut down. I got the pine tree all cut up, and I got all of the overgrowth cut down from the area where the homeowner and I agreed all the way to the fence. So let me show you real quick. you can remember what it looked like before, you couldn't even see any of these stumps or big trees that had fell. So these are a little bit too big for what I can handle, but he's got a stump company going to come in and get these things out of here and finish cleaning this area up. But now it is accessible. So the humidity is through the roof. Goodness gracious today. Next step, I've already got the dump trailer loaded, so I've got to run to the Ingleside compost facility, which is our local city-owned facility where you may have already seen me take stuff before. But anyways, there she is, all loaded up. Anyways, all right, we'll see y'all at the dump.